It's sad that there are uneducated people who are poor and broke and aren't going to change their situation because they're not going to educate themselves. They're just going to rail against everybody and they're going to blame landlords. They're not going to blame the government. They're going to blame companies like Arrive for buying properties that they were never going to buy. And so that's sad. But where it gets sadder, so it continues, is somebody who takes the time to take in the content, who watches all of the channels of the people who've done what they want to do. They have a rental portfolio, they have financial freedom, and they watch and they watch. And I get to interact with people like Divin and Dave, Josh and Mary, Jared and Curtis, where 2 years ago, Dave and Joe and Josh and Mary kind of reached out, let's meet for lunch. We're 2 years later. Josh and Mary own a duplex. Dave's got a duplex and he's got a couple of long distance investments. And we get to see that, but it was a 2 year journey. So there are some people who watch a bunch of content. They don't reach financial freedom in 6 months. So they wasted all of the time watching that content because they just quit.